Alright, today we're going to do a video of our Okamoto model ACC-2048-EX, serial number 22282. It's new in 1996. It has a FANUC 21GA control with the manual data input. We'll start by getting the table moving. This is variable here through the control. This table is hydraulic driven. That noise you hear is just some sheet metal, some covers. Slow it down a little bit. We'll also start the wheel. The wheel is very quiet on this machine. Stop the table. You can also jog your axes. That's your y-axis, up and down. Then you have, this is a column type grinder. Then you also have your variable control for your magnet. You can turn it down here so that there's almost still magnetic, but again, variable control. Machine is equipped with a dresser. You also have a hand wheel for manual positioning at the machine. And then you can also control your cross. Machine is equipped with a coolant system. This machine can be seen under power in our Harrison, New Jersey warehouse. Thank you for watching our video.